In the heart of the Indian Himalayas, a monumental engineering marvel has redefined connectivity, resilience, and national pride. The Atal Tunnel, named after former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, is the world's longest highway tunnel at high altitude, and it stands as a symbol of India's capability to overcome nature's most formidable barriers. So let's dive into the story of how this iconic infrastructure was envisioned, constructed, and is now transforming lives in the Himalayan region. Atal Tunnel is located in Himachal Pradesh, India, which has a length of 9.02 kilometers. It is located at an altitude of 10,000 feet. It connects Manali to the Lahaul-Spiti Valley, inaugurated on 3rd October 2020 and built by Border Roads Organization. The Atal Tunnel is a horseshoe-shaped, all-weather, single-tube, two-lane tunnel under the Rohtang Pass in the eastern Pir Panjal range of the Himalayas. It drastically reduces the travel time and distance between Manali and Kelong. The idea of constructing a tunnel under the Rohtang Pass was first proposed in 2000 by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The goal was to provide year-round access to remote regions like Lahaul and Spiti, which remained cut off for nearly 6 months every year due to heavy snowfall. Until the tunnel was completed, the Rohtang Pass was a treacherous, snow-bound route that often led to long delays and dangerous travel conditions. Now here is why the Atal Tunnel is a historic feat. First of all, it is world's longest highway tunnel, about 10,000 feet. It ensures year-round movement to strategically sensitive areas near the Indo-China border. The travel time is reduced by 4 to 5 hours and the distance is reduced by 46 kilometers, which is boosting strategic military logistics. It is cutting through Himalayan terrain prone to avalanches, landslides and extreme temperatures. Constructing a tunnel of this magnitude in such a remote and challenging environment required incredible innovation and grit. The construction of this tunnel started in June 2010 and it was completed in September 2020. The total cost of this project was approximately 3,300 crores and the contractors appointed for this construction work was Strabag Afcons JV. The technology used in constructing this tunnel was new Austrian tunneling method. The major challenges faced in the construction were its unpredictable geology, that is, the Himalayas are young fold mountains with unstable rock formations. Another challenge were its extreme weather. The temperatures plunged to minus 20 degrees Celsius. There were heavy snowfall, often stalling the work. In some sections, water ingress were experienced, which led to 3 million liters of water per day ingressing the construction site. Moreover, this is a remote location where getting men, machines and materials to the site was a logistical challenge. Despite these hurdles, engineers and workers continued their efforts relentlessly even during harsh winters when access was limited and work had to continue through ventilation and safety tunnels. The Atal Tunnel is not just a feat of length, it is built with state-of-the-art safety and operational systems. The width of the tunnel is almost 10.5 meters, with its roadway 8 meters and its height as 5.5 meters. There are emergency exits every 500 meters. There are fire detection and control systems. There are CCTV surveillance throughout the tunnel. There are public announcement systems. There are ventilation systems for air quality control and there are avalanche control structures at both the ends. These systems ensure safety for both civilian and military vehicles even under extreme weather conditions. The Atal Tunnel is more than just a transport project, it's a game changer for local communities, tourism, defense and disaster response. Tourists can now visit Lahaul even in winter, boosting local income and employment. It also ensures quick medical and disaster relief access during emergencies. The farmers and traders can now reach markets faster, reducing spoilage and cost. The schools, hospitals, and other facilities are now more accessible. Strategically, this has created faster movement of military equipment to forward posts, It enhances India's preparedness along the India-China border, and it also reduced dependency on risky mountain passes like Rohtang and Baralcha. Globally, this project has been recognized as Best Infrastructure Project of 2021 by Indian Building Congress. This project has also been featured in multiple international civil engineering journals for its innovation and altitude. The tunnel is now a benchmark project for other high-altitude tunnels being planned in the region, like the Shikoon-La Tunnel connecting Himachal and Ladakh. The success of the Atal Tunnel has opened the gateway to more high-altitude infrastructure in India. Some upcoming or some proposed projects include Shikoon-La Tunnel, which will connect Zanskar Valley to Himachal and reduce dependency on the vulnerable Zojila and Baralcha passes. Another tunnel named Zojila Tunnel, which is expected to be the longest road tunnel in India. It is connecting Kashmir and Ladakh. These projects aim to strengthen border infrastructure, improve livelihoods, and showcase India's engineering excellence on a global stage. The Atal Tunnel is a shining example of what vision, persistence, and innovation can achieve. It not only bridges distances but also symbolizes India's rising confidence in tackling infrastructure challenges in the most demanding terrains. As India marches towards becoming a global leader in infrastructure, the Atal Tunnel will always remain a proud reminder of the country's ability to build against the odds and win. Have you visited the Atal Tunnel yet? Share your experience or plans in the comments. If you found this content insightful, consider subscribing to the channel for more high-impact stories on infrastructure, innovation, and nation building. Don't forget to like and share this video with peers who appreciate world-class engineering achievements. Thank you. See you all the next time.